Hi everyone, welcome to Cyberloop Information Security. In this program, you will be learning about EC Council CSA, which is Certified SOC Analyst Training and Certification Program. In this SOC Analyst program, we are introducing the Splunk and DNIF technologies. It is completely 40 hours loaded learning. So next 40 hours, we are learning about to secure organization and its data from malicious attackers and unauthorized access. The Certified SOC Analyst CSA program is the first step to joining in a security operations center. It is engineered for current and aspiring Tier 1 and Tier 2 SOC analysts to achieve proficiency in performing entry-level and intermediate-level operations. So before going to start our program, I will introduce myself. Well, this is Gopi Pakanati. I am a certified instructor CI from EC Council and also I have 9 plus years of industrial experience in SIM and threat hunting. Currently, I am working as a senior SIM manager in one of the leading big corporate. And also you can have a look at my certifications. I have OSCP, CSA, LPT, CEH, ECSA and GWAP. Let's see the program flow. In this CSA program, you will learn about security operations and management, understanding cyber threats, IOCs and attack methodology, incidents, events and logging, incident detection with security information and event management, SIM, enhanced incident detection with threat intelligence and incident response. Now let's have a look at the course outline. So, in Module 1, Security Operations and Management, you will be learning about Security Management, Security Operations, Security Operations Center, SOC, need of SOC, SOC capabilities, SOC operations, and SOC workflow, components of SOC, types of SOC models, SOC implementation, and challenges in implementation of SOC. And now coming to Module 2, Understanding Cyber Threats, IOCs, and Attack Methodology. We'll be learning about cyber threats, intent motive goal, tactics, techniques, procedures, TTPS, opportunity, vulnerability, weakness, network, host, application level attacks, cyber threat, IOCs, hacking methodologies. And coming to Module 3, Incidents, Events, and Logging. You will learn about log, event, and incident, typical log sources, need of log, logging requirements, typical log format, local logging, and centralized logging challenges. Coming to Module 4, Incident Detection with Security Information and Event Management, SIEM. You will learn about Security Information and Event Management, SIEM, need of SIEM, typical SIEM capabilities, SIEM architecture and its components, SIEM development, incident detection with SIEM, use case examples for application level incident detection, use case examples for insider incident detection, use case examples for network level incident detection, use case examples for host level incident detection, and handling alert triaging and analysis. Now coming to the module 5, enhanced incident detection with threat intelligence. You will learn about cyber threat intelligence CTI, types of threat intelligence driven SOC, benefit of threat intelligence to SOC analyst, threat intelligence use cases for SOC analyst, integration of threat intelligence into SIEM, threat intelligence use cases for enhanced incident response, and enhancing incident response by establishing SOPs for threat intelligence. And coming to module 6, which is the last module, incident response. You will be learning about incident response, SOC and IRT collaboration, instant response process overview, responding to network security incidents, responding to application security incidents, responding to email security incidents, responding to insider incidents, and responding to malware incidents. So, these are the topics and modules that will be covered in this CSA training program.